In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add backgrounds in Adobe Express. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, creating a captivating background can instantly enhance any project. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do this effortlessly using Adobe Express. First things first, after you've launched Adobe Express, you'll want to open the design file or canvas that you're currently working on. Once your design is open and displayed on your workspace, you're ready to start transforming that background into something truly eye-catching. To begin adding an image as your background, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add Content. Clicking on this will open up a menu with several different types of media you can choose from. Select Media and then proceed to Photos. This option gives you access to a variety of image sources. You can pick an image from Adobe Stock, choose from your previously uploaded files, or even select an image from your local device. Once you've decided on the image you'd like to use, it's time to insert it into your project. After inserting the image, you'll need to select it. You can do this by clicking on it directly on your design canvas, which brings up the image panel on your screen. In this panel, you'll find an option to set background. Simply click this to make the selected image your page's background. This action will seamlessly blend your chosen image into the backdrop of your design. Now, after setting the image as your background, you might notice that it needs a little bit of adjustment to fit perfectly. Adobe Express provides you with a handy tool called Reframe Image. This allows you to reposition your image precisely where you want it, ensuring that it looks just right and complements the rest of your design. But what if you're in the mood for something different and decide you'd rather go with a solid color or a gradient instead of an image? No worries, Adobe Express has that covered too. Head over to the Color tools in Adobe Express. These tools allow you to set a background color either by choosing from a pre-designed color theme or by creating your own unique color choice. For those looking to add a dash of creativity or perhaps a textured look, Adobe Express features a built-in background maker. This fantastic tool lets you design your very own patterned background, adding a unique touch that speaks to your particular style or the theme of the project. And there you have it, a simple yet encompassing guide on how to add and customize backgrounds using Adobe Express. Whether you prefer vibrant imagery, subtle color gradients, or unique patterns, Adobe Express offers the tools you need to make your design stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.